everybody!
Happy Christmas!
And welcome, Mrs. JB Rose, Singing Vegan Mum. This is my last Christmas special for you. It's been a really challenging year, but we are here now. I hope you all have love, joy, peace and blessings. And I've got a lovely dish I'm going to make for you. It is a nut roast, but it's different. I've jerked it. Jerk nut roast with some almond flakes on top. It smells and tastes delicious. Please give this a try. If you have that vegan on your table, I made a delicious nut roast, and it wasn't just a normal nut roast. I jerked it. Jerk nut roast. This is how I made it. Let's make our own breadcrumbs. It's easy. Just take like the bread back. You know the bread back that the people the kids don't like. Yeah, this is a brown seeded one, and it's going to be a nutty seedy loaf. Let's put it all in the blender. There you go, guys. Everything just goes in one bowl. 100 grams of mushrooms. And then, guys, I've got mixed nuts. So what's here? We've got walnuts, we've got mixed seeds here, we've got almonds, and we've got flaxseed. And it's all going to go in here. In all, it's 200 grams. Oh, forgot to say that there's cashew nuts in here as well, guys. This is optional, but I'm adding hemp seed because you know I like to add in the goodness. Hemp seed is a really great source of protein. And more goodness, this is linseed, guys, and the hemp seed is optional. Everything now is one family. So I'm cheating. I'm gonna put some onions, pepper, red and yellow peppers, some carrots, and then loads and loads and loads, oops, there's something on there, of garlic, I think on that one. I should finally chop it, but I'll do it this way because I want to do this quick. I don't want it mush, I just want it a little bit chopped. I just didn't want to chop it myself. I mean, you could chop it up by hand, but I've chopped it up on the blender. And we're literally, guys, just going to cook this through until it's nearly soft. Smoked paprika. A bit of cayenne pepper, can you see it? Oh. Oops. All-purpose seasoning. Oh, and of course, lots of mixed herbs. As much as you can, really be generous. And we're going to mix that through. Okay, and we don't want it to we don't want it to get too soft because we're going to do some cooking of it in the oven. Back to our mixture. As you know, we've got our nuts, we've got our mushrooms, we've got our breadcrumbs, and of course, now we're going to add this lovely mixture to it. I had boiled 100 grams of red lentils. I cooked that for about 15 minutes and I've added that in. So yes, it's looking mahooses, but because it's Christmas, I want us to eat well. So we just mix all that in. Then we're going to add a little bit of tamari. Be generous because this is a big meatloaf. Himalayan salt. Some tomato sauce. I'd say about 2 tablespoons there. And some tomato puree. Again, I'd say a tablespoon there. And finally, half a cup of chickpea flour. I lie. So I have some homemade jerk sauce, because remember our nut roast is a jerk sauce version. So I'm going to add 1, just 2, not too much, but actually I'm going to add 3 because my jerk sauce is not very hot and peppery. So guys, I added a little bit more flour in, chickpea flour, because I want it to be a bit firmer. It's much better. It's ready, guys. So our nut roast is going to be a square one, because it's going to be like a centerpiece, just like when you have your turkey. And then you're going to put your nut roast in here. Whoa, it's very heavy and dense, as you know, with all them ingredients that we put in. Lovely. Remember, it isn't a cake, so it's not going to rise. We go in the oven.
And I'm gonna put
Just take your time, all this silicone.
This is so nice. Wow, there's a little repair job there. Well done. Oh, the colouring a door in. This is a master at work. My jerk sauce, I'm just going to spread it on. Now my jerk sauce isn't strong. I made this and the recipe is coming. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over. Lovely.
So guys, look at this. It's absolutely delicious. So hey, listen, try it out. If you've got a vegan on your table, if you want to try this for Veganuary, give it a go. It smells nice. Now I made it into a big square because, well, you know, the turkey people have this big turkey on the table. So we did a big dish on the table, not a small vegan dish. So this is what we're going to be eating on Christmas Day. Listen guys, I just want you to have a great time. We've had a very hard year. Let's just have a good time this Christmas. Whoever you're with, even if you're on your own, please just have a brilliant Christmas. Guys, happy Christmas. Also, I would just also like to thank you for all the support and love you've given me over the past couple of years doing these cooking videos and also with my singing and my music. Mwah! Don't forget, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl. Happy Christmas, everybody.
Happy Christmas!